Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Fatihah binti Muhammad Zaki. My matric number is A22A0350. Miss Jin owns a private tuition center called the Tuition Center. After 4 years of establishing the student center, the number of students has grown from 15 to 500. Thus, the student information becomes bigger and harder to handle if she still uses the traditional technique of recording student information in a physical book. Next, Miss Jin used Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel because she was hesitant to invest in this application due to the high cost of RM10,000 ringgit. We are 4 students from University Malaysia Kelantan who are conducting industrial training at the Tuition Center will help Miss Jin manage his business data using Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. For part performed to record and retrieve the student data, firstly, we create a table for the student and then including all the information such as student ID, student name, student gender, student phone, student age, student email, student state, student school name, student address, student parents' name, and student registration date. Next, after the table, then we create a form for the label and then we adding the button inside like button previous record, next records, and add record.
My name is Nur Hafina binti Zawin. My number matric A22A0171. So, question 2 talk about recording student fee and generate fee receipt. The information that we need in this record is fee from item and fee receipt. When we open the fee receipt button, then the receipt will be shown. Question 3. Recording expenses for expenses category, salary, utilities, rent, and insurance. So first, we open table expenses category and key in expenses ID, expenses category, and expenses category amount. Then we open expenses category. In expenses category, there is utilities, salary, rent, and insurance. So lastly, we can open the expenses form and add button, previous record, next record, and add record.
My name is Nurhayati binti Rahman, matric number A22A0154. I will present number 4, a report showing total income by package. First, we open the table package and create a query income by package. Our lecturer want to see a report for income by package. In the table, we include 3 tables, which is content, UPSR, PT3, and SPM. The total income for the 3 package is different. The highest one is SPM 550, and secondly PT3 450, and the last one UPSR 360. Next, number 5, the report showing total income by school, highest on the top. Same as the previous one, firstly open the table total income for school to create a query income by school. Then put the list for all the school, which is the highest is at the top. So we arrange the table with the highest at the top.
In the design view, the expenses category has a field name that has the expenses category ID, name, and amount. And the second is the data type, which is listed as auto number, short text, and currency. Here you can see that there are 4 categories of expenses such as salary, rent, utilities, and insurance. The largest expenses in the Young Mind Tuition Center is salary with an amount of 70,350 and the lowest is insurance with an amount of 30,500.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Hamizah Danab binti Ibrahim. My matric number is 22807767. I will continue. The last part is a simple profit and loss report showing the total income and expenses by months. Before that, to create this table to be like this line, we need to create relationship between queries various space through querying and profit first. Then the result will become like this. The month is from January to December. Then we can see the total plus of profit for the 12 months will be automatically shown below in each of the 3 boards there. Next, conclusion. Microsoft Access, a well-known database management system produced by Microsoft and is part of the Microsoft 365 Office suite. Its user-friendly interface, robust relational capabilities, and integration with other Microsoft Office tools make it a valuable asset for individuals, small business, and organizations with specific database needs. Microsoft Access supports the creation of macros and the use of Visual Basic for applications will be equipped. The online practicum evaluation management system serves as a valuable tool in the realm of education and professional training. The system's online nature allows for accessibility from various locations, fostering flexibility in evaluation process. That's all from me. Thank you.